Everyone thinks viral videos are about luck. Right place, right time, random algorithm blessing. But here's the uncomfortable truth no one wants to admit in 2026. The biggest viral creators are not lucky. They are early. Early to understand something most people still misunderstand. Because if virality were random, the same creators wouldn't keep winning again and again. The same faces wouldn't dominate shorts feeds across different niches, countries, and languages. So here's the mystery we're solving today. Why do some short videos explode to millions of views in hours while others, often better edited, die at 200 views? And more importantly, what changed in 2026 that makes old viral tips not just useless but dangerous? The answer isn't what YouTube tells you. And it isn't what gurus sell you. It's hidden in the history of attention, algorithms, and one brutal breaking point most creators never saw coming. Setting the stage, the background you were never told. To understand viral shorts in 2026, we have to go backwards. Long before YouTube Shorts, before TikTok. Before Reels, there was a simple system: time-based attention. Creators were rewarded for longer watch time, more uploads, louder thumbnails. Platforms wanted people to stay longer. Creators stretched content longer. Everyone benefited. Then short-form video arrived and it broke everything. TikTok didn't compete on quality. It competed on speed of dopamine. YouTube noticed something terrifying. People were watching less long-form but more total minutes, just split into tiny pieces. So YouTube Shorts wasn't just a feature. It was a defensive financial system designed to protect ad revenue, user attention, and platform dominance. By 2024, Shorts views crossed 70 billion per day globally. By 2025, more than 60% of new creators grew faster on Shorts than long-form, and in 2026? Shorts are no longer an experiment. They are the front door of YouTube. But that's where the twist begins. Origins. How virality originally worked. In the early Shorts era, going viral was simple. Creators followed a formula. Big text, fast cuts, trending sounds. Wait till the end, hooks. And it worked. Why? Because the algorithm was forgiving. YouTube pushed Shorts aggressively to train users. Almost everyone got distribution. Even bad videos got a chance. Creators mistook this for skill. But behind the scenes, YouTube was collecting data. How fast users swipe, where attention spikes when boredom hits, what makes people re-watch. This data quietly reshaped the system. By late 2025, YouTube no longer needed to push Shorts. Now it could filter ruthlessly. The golden period of explosive growth. For a short window, creators who understood behavior instead of trends began winning big. They didn't chase viral sounds. They engineered curiosity. Their videos didn't say, "Here's 5 tips." They said, "No one talks about this." And that's the problem. Watch time increased. Rewatches doubled. Comments exploded. YouTube's algorithm noticed something critical. Videos that create mental tension outperform videos that provide instant value. So shorts that delay the payoff, create unanswered questions, trigger emotional predictions started outperforming flashy edits. Creators who cracked this pattern scaled insanely fast, sometimes gaining 100K subscribers from a single short. But success created a problem. Everyone copied the surface, not the system. Breaking point when everything stopped working. By 2026, Shorts feeds are overcrowded. Millions of videos uploaded daily, attention spans shorter than ever, competition ruthless. Here's the breaking point. Most Shorts fail in the first 1.5 seconds. Not because they're bad, but because they feel predictable. Audiences evolved. They've seen the pointing finger, the red arrows, the fake urgency. The brain adapts fast. So YouTube adapted too. In 2026, the algorithm prioritizes 3 invisible metrics. Hold rate. Did the viewer hesitate before swiping? Prediction error. Did the video break expectations? Session extension. Did this short lead to another video? Most creators still optimize for views, likes, hashtags, but those are lagging indicators. The damage? Creators upload daily, burn out faster, and slowly disappear. What happened to most creators? Here's what the fallout looks like in 2026. Channels with millions of Shorts views but zero loyalty. Creators stuck in algorithm loops, unable to pivot. Viral spikes followed by long-term stagnation. The harsh reality. Virality without structure destroys channels. YouTube now detects repetitive hooks, template fatigue, shallow engagement, and quietly reduces distribution. Creators blame shadow bans, hashtags, upload times, but the real issue is deeper. They never built narrative gravity. Failed fixes, what people tried that didn't work. When views dropped, creators tried everything. Posting more often, copying bigger creators, using AI scripts without strategy, switching niches every month, none worked long term. Why? Because virality in 2026 is not about content volume. It's about attention engineering. Shorts are no longer videos. They are psychological sequences. Each one trains the algorithm how to treat your next video. Most creators poison their own distribution without realizing it. Modern parallels, the pattern repeats everywhere. This isn't new. The same thing happened with Facebook pages in 2016, Instagram Reels in 2020, TikTok growth hacks in 2022. Early players won, copycats flooded in. Algorithms hardened, only strategic creators survived. In 2026, shocking data shows 1 out of every 500 shorts reaches sustained virality. Channels with a clear narrative angle grow. 3 to 5x faster retention beats editing quality every time the pattern is clear. Platforms reward creators who understand humans better than trends. 3 clear takeaways, the truth about going viral in 2026. Takeaway number 1. Virality starts before the video if your idea doesn't create curiosity in one sentence. The short will fail no matter how good the edit is. Takeaway number 2. Delay the answer, the brain hates unfinished stories. Use that. Don't explain, pull the viewer forward. Takeaway number 3. Train the algorithm intentionally. Every short teaches YouTube who to show your next video to. Random content equals random results. Warning, the future most creators won't see. In 2027, shorts will become even more selective. Creators who rely on tricks will vanish. Creators who build story systems will dominate. The question isn't, can this go viral? The real question is, what kind of audience will this viral moment create? Call to action, natural and honest. If you want more videos that break down growth, psychology, and the hidden systems behind online success, not surface-level hacks, subscribe. And comment below, what's the biggest mistake you think creators make with shorts in 2026? Because the next viral wave isn't about being louder. It's about being earlier and smarter.